Hey guys, I'm back. This is Make Money on the Toilet, number 1765. This is the easiest method of making money because it does not require any traffic, doesn't require advertising, it really doesn't require anything other than you buying an expired domain name. Now, if you don't know what an expired domain name is, just do a search on Google. You'll find sites like Just Dropped or Estabot, and you want to purchase an expired domain name, a domain name like a .com or a .net that has expired. Someone let it go, right? Now in this list, other people are looking through the expired drop list as well. The day that expired domain names drop, you grab it really quick and you purchase it. Now immediately after you purchase it, for instance with GoDaddy, you list it for sale for like $100 or $200. Okay, so quick review, buy it for 10 bucks, list it for $100. So now when somebody goes to GoDaddy or when someone looks up that domain name, it's gonna say available for $100 instead of 10. Now all the people looking through the expired drop list, they'll be looking through it and there's all of this crap, but then they come along a pretty good one that you bought. And they're like, oh, let me see if that's available. And they'll go to GoDaddy and they do a search. It's available for $100. You see where I'm going with this? It works. They buy the domain name for $100 because a lot of the time it's usually worth $500, $1,000. You get my drift. So one way to ensure that you're gonna find the real good ones in a very, very long drop list is sort that drop list with appraisals descending. So for instance, Estabot will appraise it at like $2,000 all at the top. 2,000, 2,000, 2,000, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000. You get my drift. And coincidentally, out of 100,000 domains, most of the good ones will be at the top when you sort it by appraisals descending. I'm telling you, it works. I teach all these methods in my class. The one that gets the most testimonials is that one. So give it a shot and make sure to, heck, subscribe to the channel because we got a lot more coming. All right, I'll see you soon.